How to add link to story on Facebook page. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add link to story on your Facebook page using your phone. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So if I go to my Facebook page, and here try to add a link to my story. If I here tap on stickers, there is no stickers to add a link on my story. So now what you have to do is that to add link to story on your Facebook page, go back and you have to open your Instagram, and here you have to upload a story first and add a link to it. Now what you have to do is that you have to post the story on your Instagram. Now open the story you just posted on your Instagram, and here in bottom you will see Facebook. Here you will see Facebook in the bottom. Tap on it. So now here you have to tap on continue to connect your Facebook to your Instagram, and here you have to select the page where you want to add link, and again tap on here continue and tap on yes, finish setup. And here tap on share, post and stories. And now if I go to my Facebook page to see that the story with link is posted or not, you can see here the link with story is posted. If I tap on the link, I can also visit the link. And so this is how you can add a link to story on your Facebook page. Thanks for watching.